Okay, the easiest way to get the egg is to let the dye bubble off. The green's getting most for now. And
peace.
Do you mind?
You were saying?
And then, do not try to eat this.
Camera's running. Okay, show.
This popsicle stick will be used to rub it on the egg, like.
That's not even in front of the camera. What did you learn nothing in film school? I'm sorry. Proceed.
Take two.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, now ready for the easiest puzzle.
Cuidado. Gotta let that bad boy sit, bro. Let that bad boy sit.
Yep.
So I'm thinking if you want some serious colors, you're gonna want to get them in
different colors.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna be yellow green, but I'm going with the purple over here. I'm not sure what this is. This is like a reddish.
Hey.
I'll put one in the green. Yellow is actually an underrated color. Yellow is quite nice. Should be a lot more yellow in the world. Don't you think, Broham?
There should be a lot more of you.
I will physically attack you on camera. And I don't care. Because they can come get me. And take me downtown Jackson Brown. Is there one in there already? No. Oh, wow. That is cool.
I'm going to put...
Okay. We'll stop for now. Okay, where are we at now?
I'm making my other crazy one.
Let's see, what does he say? Over here.
This one says...
What does that one say?
Okay, I'll show you. Show how...
Hey, Joe.
Oops.
We might want to put that back in there.
Let's...
See, that one says chimichurri. What does that one say?
Mama.
What does this one say? This green one, right here. What does that say? What? Poop? Cheese and rice. What the heck?
You did that.
I don't know what's going on around here.
No, it's a speaker.
No, I think Mr. Bunny eating
Easter egg hunt for you, Broham?
Let's go on it.
I'll follow you.
At least I already found some.
Oh yeah, get your basket. Good call.
Yes, your basket. Yes, your basket. That's the little one. You want the big one, the little one?
Little.
You know, Mr. Bunny's tricky, so you gotta go all over the place.
Hey, he made your hair be a dress.
Oh, I see one.
I see.
Yeah.
I already saw that.
Oh, okay.
Good thing there's no one in the bathroom.
Who knows?
I
Mr. Bunny's
checked
tricky.
upstairs.
Yeah.
It is in the bathroom. I checked.
Oh.
What?
Yeah. Good eye.
I mean, I'm gonna get a lot this year.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, be careful.
You put them over there. I see another one.
Oh, I see him.
I see another one. Anything over there? That's this one. Oh, yeah. Easter lilies.
I still have to
They smell
check
good.
upstairs.
Oh, yeah, good call.
Maybe I still have to get upstairs.
Well, I see one.
Oh,
There you go.
Oh, I see
This
more.
is funny here. This is funny. He's getting out of the Ford truck, Uncle Jack's truck.
What's that?
Look at that. Go for it.
Go back because I saw some.
There's
Did you? There's more?
Yeah.
Is there really?
Uh-huh.
where? Oh.
Oh.
Miss that. Oh, I see more around the
You
field.
see more?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Remember, he's tricky.
And there's now let's go upstairs.
I think there's some upstairs. Wow, if he went upstairs. I didn't hear him at all.
Well, I saw one right there.
Yeah.
Where?
Right at the top of the stairs, I saw a little white one. There you go. Marga's new plates go there, but JP and I are going to build a corner hutch that'll fit in that corner. Oak face. It'll be cool. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Lava.